Hello my internet friends, John Gibson here with I Need Examples. Today we will cover the ArrayToText function. The ArrayToText function requires two arguments, array and format. The ArrayToText function will take the values of the array and depending on the format, list them in a comma or semicolon separated list. The format 0 option will create a simple comma delimited list. The format 1 option will create a semicolon delimited list that is enclosed in brackets and each value is inside of double quotes. In this example, we will take the values in D2 through D5 and create a separated list. In B7, we will enter equals ArrayToText, open parentheses. We'll select our values from D2 to D5, and we will choose format 0. Close parentheses. As you can see, our values are now in a comma-separated list. Now let's use the format 1. In B8, enter equals ArrayToText, open parentheses. Again, we'll select our values D2 through D5, and this time we will choose format option 1, and close parentheses. Now our list is enclosed in brackets, has quotes around each value, and is semicolon separated. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Comment below if you would like to see examples on a specific topic. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.